Hello everyone. Today we are making an easy one-pan fettuccine pasta with chicken and sausage that's fresh, light, and ready in minutes. With earthy mushrooms and a signature slightly creamy sauce, this is the perfect anytime pasta meal for when you want the big flavor without the mess. First up, let's get 250 grams of fettuccine into a pot of salted boiling water and cook it according to the package directions. While the pasta is boiling, we'll use this time to dice about half a cup of Spanish onion. Sauté the onion over medium-high heat with 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and toss in a teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir for a few minutes until the onion softens and the spice releases its heat. For our protein, we're dicing up 2 boneless chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces to ensure they cook quickly and evenly. For that extra savory kick, we're using the meat from 2 Italian sausages. Just discard the casing and break the meat apart into small pieces to match our diced chicken. Stir those together until the meat is no longer pink and everything is thoroughly cooked. Let's get some garlic in there. Finally chop 2 cloves and throw them into the mix for that classic Italian flavor. Also, boost the flavor by tossing in a tablespoon of tomato paste and stir it for about a minute. Next, we're going to thinly slice about a cup of cremini mushrooms. These are going to add a wonderful earthy undertones. Cook the mushrooms until tender and add a cup of pasta water to help create the base of our sauce. For the seasoning, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a generous crack of fresh black pepper, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for a rich umami base. And to thicken the sauce, add 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Transfer the cooked fettuccine and toss thoroughly. We want the pasta to marry with the sauce, soaking up that savory liquid for the perfect bite. To give the pasta a hit of freshness, we're dicing up about a half a cup of red bell pepper and adding that right in. To add another refreshing layer, slice half a cup of cherry tomatoes in half and throw them in for a burst of juicy, bright flavor. For a hint of mild onion flavor and a beautiful pop of green, slice up a stalk of green onion. To bring everything together, finally chop a tablespoon of fresh parsley and sprinkle it over the pasta for a vibrant, herbaceous finish. And that is all there is to it. Every bite is a perfect harmony of silky, cream-coated pasta, savory meats, and tender mushrooms that feels incredibly indulgent, yet surprisingly light and fresh. We hope you give this pasta dish a try. It's the perfect stress-free meal for any night of the week. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you're craving this pasta. And subscribe now so you never miss out on what's cooking next. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.